Hey everybody, it's Rico Suave, and here I got my Accurite weather station. So you can see here, super excited about it, guys. So this bad boy is going to be able to tell me indoor, outdoor temperature, indoor, outdoor humidity, give me a 24-hour weather forecast, give me barometric pressure, as a clock, it has the date on it, moon phase. It's going to be able to tell me a lot, and why I think this is important is because it's literally put in the batteries and you start playing. So this is going to be able to tell me what I need to know about the weather, even if I don't have access to our smart technology where we can talk directly to the weatherman. The weatherman can tweet the weather. This gives you that off-grid dependability. So that's why I got it. I've heard some great reviews from it, so I'm going to test out for myself. I'm going to do a one week test to see how well see how accurate it is. So I'm going to compare this to, obviously what the big weather forecast station is for the local community. And we're going to see if they marry up. And so I'm, like I said, everybody that all the reviews I've seen, they seem to be great. So I'm looking forward to it. And I think it's going to give me a really good, accurate description of what's around the RV, which is great because I can take it with me. I can always know what the weather's going to be like, even if I don't have access to, modern day technology as far as being able to contact the outside world. So this should be able to tell me in an off-grid situation where the weather's sitting at and how to forecast it in the future. So stay with me, guys.
So this is the sensor. I've elected to hold the sensor right there on the awning. So it requires, they say have it according to manufacturer standards, 4 feet above the floor. So this is 6 feet. And yeah, so it sits right there and it gets good airflow and it's just going to give me a really good, accurate description of what's going on outside. It's going to give me an accurate reading. So that's where I have her. Hey everybody, so I kind of want to show you my setup that I got here. So as you can see, I went ahead and mounted the display for the Accurite weather station, and it's plugged in right here. It doesn't need to be plugged into power, it'll still work without it, but it's just nice to have that plugged in. So how I mounted it, just use Velcro. I like the Velcro because it's not really invasive. I don't have to drill into anything, and it holds really well. It's easy to take on and off. Have the batteries in there. So yeah, it just holds really well, and I really like the way I have it set up. It's kind of out of the way of everything, and I can easily monitor it and see exactly where I'm at. Stay with me.
Everybody, welcome back. And so there you have it. That's the Accurite weather station. It's a great thing to have. It really is. Being able to monitor and track weather and do that accurately it's incredible. Mankind since the beginning of time has always been trying to figure out what the weather's going to be like, when's it going to rain. Been trying to do everything they can to forecast it. And now with modern day technology, I can do that by waking up and going straight to my door. So I really like it. It's small. It fits great into my full RV lifestyle. The sensor outside, it's small, easy to put up, very accurate, like I said. So it's really important that we have the ability to look and see what the weather is going to be like and track trends, people, because in reality, if something happens and we don't have our cell phones, or we don't have the ability to send and receive data or information wirelessly like that, you're going to have to if you don't know how to get the weather, you don't have the means to get the weather, that's just going to be a piece that's going to be completely lost to you. And like I said, as a prepper, it's important to know what the weather's going to be like. So I encourage you guys to, go out there and figure out ways that you can, always have that, at least that piece of information. I'm not saying go out and get, a weather station, but find something that works for you guys and at least be tracking it, be thinking about that. So hope you guys had a great day, and as always, guys, long live the Republic.